Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we're showcasing the Peomeise Stretch Spandex Folding Chair Cover, and let me tell you, it's the best party chair cover you'll ever need. Whether you're planning a wedding, a dinner party, or a special event, this chair cover will elevate the look of your space instantly. Let's dive into what makes this product so great. The Peomeise Stretch Spandex Folding Chair Cover comes in a pack of 12. Offering you great value for money at just $24.99. These chair covers are made from high-quality spandex material, ensuring a snug fit that adapts to most folding chairs. The stretchable fabric gives a smooth, wrinkle-free appearance, making your chairs look elegant and stylish without the need for ironing. One of the best features of these covers is how easy they're to use. Simply slip them over your chair and stretch them to fit perfectly. The covers have 4 elastic feet pockets that securely hold the legs of your chairs in place, ensuring they stay in position throughout your event. They're designed for quick setup, so you can focus on enjoying the occasion instead of fussing with complicated decorations. Maintenance is a breeze. These covers are machine washable, so you don't need to worry about stains or spills. You can wash them with a mild detergent, and they won't require ironing, saving you both time and effort. They're durable too, built to withstand multiple uses, so you can use them for all your future events without any problems. These chair covers aren't just for parties, they're perfect for any formal event. Whether you're hosting a wedding reception, a family gathering, or a corporate event, these covers add an instant touch of class. The clean white color works seamlessly with any theme, making it easy to match with your other event decorations. They are also a great choice for restaurants, hotels, and other venues that want to enhance their decor for special occasions. At just $2.08 per cover, this is a budget-friendly solution for those looking to upgrade their event setup without breaking the bank. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to transform their venue and give their guests a memorable experience. In conclusion, the Peomeise Stretch Spandex Folding Chair Cover is an excellent addition to any event. With its easy installation, easy care, and stylish appearance, it's a must-have for anyone hosting a party, wedding, or special event. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your set today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product critiques right here on Product Critique.